Hello traders, Marcelo Swiss from TradeWise with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Let's first go around the world and see what is going on. But before that, reminding you guys that this analysis is already available on all my social networks, okay? Please follow me wherever you like best and like my posts. I would appreciate that. It gives me more motivation to keep on going. Reminding you guys as well of my legal notice, my disclaimer that says that this is just an educational analysis and it's not a financial advisory. Okay, coming here for the fear and greed index, we are hitting the 54 level. Previously, we were at 48 due to the drop that happened on Tuesday, got everybody by surprise. So, since then, it is moving sideways, and from yesterday night to today, it is moving slightly up. Uh, it is now on the 54. Checking out its a fear and greed chart, we can see that the prices that dropped previously came actually. Sorry for that. It broke out previously, which gave us this resistance level. After that, it dropped due to Tuesdays actually price drop, and now it came back over the primary downtrend line, the red line. This gives me the idea that we should still consider uh, a strong breakout for this red line before saying we are positive, we are on the greed side. Okay, this is what I think so far. So even though it touches again the blue line, I want to see it breaking hard. Otherwise, it could come back, especially because the traditional stock market is willing to do correction, profit realization still today. If not, it might be tomorrow. So, can I on the traditional stock market because it might bring down our Bitcoin. Okay, coming back here, let's see how the market is moving right now. It is slightly positive. As you guys can see, it's more green than red. Earlier today, it was like 50-50. So let's see how it's going to go on through the day. It looks like Bitcoin wants to hit the 10,000 dollar level. Let's see how it's gonna show on the chart. But before that, I want to tell you guys that on Binance, the positive side, we have 74 pairs with USDT Tether dollar stable coin. Why do I get this Tether to do my analysis? Because I prefer to have a stable coin on one side and a coin on the other side than having both coins on both sides. For instance, let's say that you're going to trade like I don't know, get any kind of coin there. For instance, Beam. We're going to get Beam with Bitcoin. We have a movement going on with Bitcoin, and we do also have a movement going on Beam. If we have the move on the both side, it makes it things harder to make profit. Okay, because we know that as soon as Bitcoin moves, Beam might move, and it might move on a way that you can't just drop out easily. So I rather go with a stable coin on one side and an altcoin on the other side. It's my choice, just that. Okay. So mainly we have some positive, very nice positive moves on the traditional coins. So we have like 10%, 12%, 19%, 5%, 4%. These kind of numbers that we can reach with Tether and a stable coin. All right. Moving forward, I have to. We were on the 1 hour chart here, and as you guys can see, we have a narrow Bollinger Band going on, and it is trying to break out. Okay, so when we see this going on, this is what I call my operational strategy Bollinger's blast. And since it dropped sharp today and came back, there was like $300 to $400 of spread, which is very nice, which is very neat. Okay, so let's see how that's going to go on. But notice that this is a nice hint. It is negative, and it is. We have also a negative volume move, which is not increasing with the price. So this makes me believe that we might see prices going up. Okay, even though we are on the stochastic, we are on the overbought zone, which suggests that we should see a correction at any time. Since we're on the 1 hour chart, it can happen always. Okay, so let's move to the 4 hour chart. Here I am. Earlier today, it was the volume wave was going down, but as you guys can see right now, it's moving sideways. Who knows? It might give us a subsequent positive wave, since we also have the MACD, which is a hard guide to give a signal. It is giving us a positive signal, which means that we might go up with the stochastic. The stochastic is also moving up, and the relative strength index is trying to give us a positive move. Let's see how it's going to go through the day. And we already have for a few candles or for a few bars, we have the money pressure trying to go up as well. It is going up, and we do have the spread price trying to go up. So it looks like we have some positive forces going on for now. And but I can't tell you guys that the divergence between indicators, these blue downtrend line, this black downtrend line, sorry, are still on its are still active, or if it's good and we're done with it. It might be true since prices are trying to go up. But I want to call you guys an attention here for the weekly chart. It is still giving us divergence. Divergency. Check this out. We have divergency on the relative strength index, stochastic, MACD, spread price, and money pressure, and also buy sell trend. We have a lot of downtrend line compared to the uptrend line when we look at the top of all these guys, prices and indicators. This is mainly the how we interpret the divergencies, okay? And we have a negative divergencies going on the weekly chart, which is a mid long term, and which could give us good projections. So I'm asking myself, will we see this Bitcoin going down to 9,000 again? It's not impossible due to this divergency all over the place. Right now, it is trying to to reach the resistance at 99.73, almost 100% Fibonacci at 10,053 right here. So let's see if it's going to move that way. When we move to the 4 hour chart, you guys can see that my vertical rectangle, I am moving it since back here, right? Since back here, I'm moving this triangle, and look how the prices are moving according to the size of this rectangle. So I just moved it today, and I had this right side of the rectangle that it looked like it wants to go up. It looked like it wants to go up, and who knows? It already matched the Fibonacci 50% at 97.48, and it might go to the Fibonacci 61.8, which is the strongest level for Fibonacci at 68.61. Sorry, 98.61. Okay, who knows? It's going to go up to the Fibonacci, at least make a maximum on Fibonacci 10,023 at 78.6% of Fibonacci. All right, so let's keep a keen eye on that. And Just want to thank you guys for following me, for giving a like. And if this analysis is good for you, if it works for you, please like this analysis. I will appreciate that. It means a lot for me. All right. Okay, then, with this analysis on hand and with the market wanting to go up, now it is showtime. Take care.